Hello, welcome to a life-changing journey into the world of affiliate marketing. Today, we're revealing how you can potentially earn $1,000 per month with Master Affiliate Profits, MAP. And the best part? You can start for free. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned marketer, Master Affiliate Profits' comprehensive platform is designed to make your path to success straightforward and profitable. So stay tuned to learn how you can earn big, even as a free member, with our exciting free YouTube viral funnel bonus. Ready for an incredible offer that could transform your earnings? I'm about to introduce an exclusive free YouTube viral funnel bonus that will supercharge your affiliate marketing journey. It's a special opportunity for everyone, even for those who join Master Affiliate Profits as a free member. Imagine leveraging the power of YouTube to maximize your affiliate efforts. Keep watching to learn how you can unlock this amazing bonus. Now I want to explain to you the ease of generating recurring income for beginners and experienced affiliate marketers. Would you like virtually everything done for you, including follow-up marketing? Before we delve into the exciting specifics, it's important to clarify that the income examples you're about to encounter pertain to the potential earnings through Master Affiliate Profits. These examples should not be interpreted as a guarantee or assurance of your own earnings. Your actual income may vary, and there's no guarantee that you will earn any money at all. With this necessary disclaimer addressed, let's proceed to explore the income earning potential with Master Affiliate Profits. If that sounds good to you, keep watching. You're about to discover the biggest breakthrough in the affiliate marketing industry ever. In fact, it is so big that for 90% of the people that have an interest in making money online, what Master Affiliate Profits offers is bigger and more profitable than the current AI boom. Buckle up, this ride's just about to get exciting. Master Affiliate Profits takes done for you to an entirely new level. Master Affiliate Profits is your gateway to affiliate marketing success. Here, beginners are welcomed with open arms. With Master Affiliate Profits, you're not just acquiring knowledge, you're implementing strategies and earning from day one. Free traffic, comprehensive training, it's all accessible to you, regardless of your membership level. Let's explore how MAP simplifies the journey to your first $1,000 and beyond. Master Affiliate Profits membership features 4 membership levels, and what's extraordinary, all levels including free enrollment include free targeted affiliate traffic. MAP offers 4 tailored membership levels: free, silver at $37 per month, gold at $67 per month, and platinum at $97 per month. Each level provides an increasing range of benefits, from free traffic to expansive training resources. And remember, every level, even the free membership, includes essential tools to kickstart your affiliate journey. I'm going to put a lot of focus on platinum level members' benefits, and when I'm finished, it will be crystal clear why it pays you to become a platinum member as soon as possible. Platinum membership is where things really heat up. You'll enjoy a staggering 75% commission on sales and access to the entire suite of training materials and platform benefits. Plus, platinum members benefit from an exclusive 25% Tier 2 commission, earning from your enrollee sales, opening doors to even more income. Now I want to show you how fast and easy it is to get to $1,000 per month of recurring income and beyond. Before we delve into the details of generating a recurring income of $1,000 per month, it's important for you to understand that as a platinum member, you're already in a profitable position and creating a steady income stream by simply enrolling 2 other platinum members. Now let's go to the next level, generating $1,000 per month of recurring income. Achieving $1,000 monthly with MAP is not just a dream. Enroll just 14 platinum members, and you're looking at a monthly recurring income of over $1,015. And when you add the platinum members' exclusive Tier 2 commission benefit, you can reach this goal fast and with less enrollments. Even free member sales can contribute significantly to your earnings. Master Affiliate Profits' frictionless enrollment and one-time offer unique commission benefits. I call that magic money. Let's dive into an example of enrolling a new free member into your Master Affiliate Profits team. One of the standout features of MAP is its frictionless enrollment. This means anyone can join without any risk or obligation to purchase anything. If they're keen on earning money online, they'll be more than willing to sign up. Once a member enrolls and their details are permanently linked to you, they're presented with a one-time offer for additional traffic at a bargain price of $9.95. The page and video make it crystal clear that this offer will vanish forever if they navigate away. This high-value offer is hard to resist. A significant number of enrollees seize this one-time offer, and when they do, Master Affiliate Profits rewards you with a 100% commission. That's what I call magic money. But that's not all. Those who decline the first offer are presented with a second, more affordable offer for additional traffic at just $4.95. A high percentage of those who passed on the first offer will likely accept the second. And again, you'll earn a 100% commission on their purchase. Here's the exciting part. This 100% commission isn't just a Platinum members benefit. It's available to everyone, including free members of Master Affiliate Profits. This game-changing benefit accelerates your earnings and those of your enrollees. When someone earns money that quickly and easily, they're 900% more likely to upgrade to a higher membership level, which means even more earnings for you. But let's take it a step further. Imagine you're running paid ads on platforms like Facebook, Google, Bing, or other traffic sources. Every time a lead from your advertising takes advantage of either one-time offer, you generate offsetting revenue. This offsets your overall investment in lead acquisition. This is a groundbreaking first in the affiliate marketing industry and a big win for you. That's why I call this magic money. Get ready for another game changer. Master Affiliate Profits empowers every member to post their personal Autoresponder affiliate links directly on the platform. When a new member comes on board and needs an autoresponder, the affiliate link they see will be yours, not a generic corporate one. This is a revolutionary departure from the norm, where other platforms only allow corporate affiliate links. But that's not all. Master Affiliate Profits goes a step further, enabling all members to generate extra revenue from third-party affiliate links. And the best part? You keep 100% of the commission earned through your links. Nothing is taken by the Master Affiliate Profits platform. It's all about putting power and profits back in your hands. Imagine a world where your primary task as an affiliate is simply to create enrollments. That's the reality at Master Affiliate Profits. The heavy lifting of follow-up and upselling is handled by our expert team, leaving you free to focus on what you do best. Our founders, John Thornhill and the dynamic duo of Omar and Melinda Martin, are industry titans. John, a top 1% earner with ClickBank, has paid out over $23 million in commissions to members of the John Thornhill Ambassador Program. Omar and Melinda, recognized worldwide as funnel creation and email marketing experts, have generated millions in the affiliate marketing industry. This powerhouse team has crafted the entire platform and follow-up sequences, so you don't have to. In fact, we encourage our members to be hands-off with follow-up. With Master Affiliate Profits, you can rest easy knowing that one of the world's most qualified affiliate marketing teams is taking care of all the follow-up for your members. And there's more. There's no need for personal funnel or email sequence creation. Our team has expertly designed and created all the necessary marketing materials, including funnels, email sequences, and products. It's all about making your journey to success as smooth as possible. Welcome to the future of affiliate marketing. Get ready for a revolution in affiliate marketing with Master Affiliate Profits. Each member can add their enrollees to their personal autoresponder, seamlessly integrated into our platform. This unique feature allows you to market your own products, goods, and services using your private autoresponder. But that's not all. This integration transforms Master Affiliate Profits into arguably the best lead generation platform available today. With nearly 12,000 affiliate marketing platforms in the United States alone, standing out is crucial. Amazon, the most well-known, boasts over 900,000 affiliates. And did you know that more than 90% of Americans purchase from an affiliate marketer? By joining Master Affiliate Profits, whether you're an experienced affiliate or a newcomer, you tap into a vast consumer pool. Market your goods, services, or even another business opportunity. The sky's the limit. With the built-in private autoresponder on the Master Affiliate Profits platform, you're in control. Welcome to the future of affiliate marketing. Get ready for an exclusive offer from Dory O'Neill, a seasoned marketing executive. He's teamed up with the Groove Pages agency to create a YouTube viral funnel template. Now, Dory is generously offering this YouTube viral funnel and the training to make it work to anyone who enrolls with Master Affiliate Profits via his affiliate link. And guess what? This offer even extends to free members of Master Affiliate Profits. Dory's YouTube viral funnel bonus is a game changer. He's personally invested thousands in its creation, and the value of the offer and training exceeds $2,000. Plus, Dory provides regular live open training to all his personally enrolled Master Affiliate Profits members. But there's more. Dory offers free access to his 365 days of motivational emails and advanced training courses. Every day, members receive a motivational email that's much more than just a pick-me-up. Dory's Pay It Forward system includes advanced training courses throughout the year, many of which are valued in the hundreds of dollars. And let's not forget Dory's Pay It Forward income streams. These include turnkey, proven revenue streams. All of this is included just for enrolling with Master Affiliate Profits via Dory O'Neill's affiliate link. It's an opportunity you don't want to miss. Now's the time to act. Enroll in MAP for free and start exploring the path to your $1,000 per month goal. Upgrade at your pace and enjoy the myriad benefits at each membership level. Don't miss this risk-free opportunity to transform your financial future. We've covered the incredible potential that MAP offers to make affiliate marketing rewarding and straightforward. With MAP, you're equipped with all the tools and support needed to thrive. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is not just about earning, it's about learning and growing along the way. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Let's embark on this exciting journey together, and here's to making your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing. Nothing can hold you back. Join today and put yourself on the path to financial freedom. Welcome to the Master Affiliate Profits team. You deserve success.